So I'm just gonna make it for YouTube too. Hi, I'm that guy that does things. So we had this latch. It's for a trunk latch for Beetle, new Beetle. Couldn't get it open because when you hit the emergency release, nothing would happen. Because this is the lever, this little black lever, this little black piece right here is the lever that allows you to unlatch it. How I ended up getting it open was there's this little rubber spot here. I got my end through it, my pick tool, and twisted that way. And I ended up hitting that latch. I did it inadvertently. I was just kind of fussing around with the latch. So I took it apart to figure out what the heck I did, because I really wanted to know. So this is the electric motor, and this is the little thing here. I'm not even entirely sure what broke, because all I have is this piece, and I don't know how it went in there. It went somewhere in this realm. So the latch system is really simple. It's just a simple, you shut this, and this piece, sorry, you shut that, and this will come in there and lock it. See? So if you can't get the emergency release to hit that and let it go, you can get to it from under here. So you can just simply work your pick tool in there and it'll hit it enough to unlatch it. So if you hold it against that, there you go. So if you can't get your latch out because the emergency release is broken or not functioning, that is your third option. Because we were probably spent 45 minutes trying to get the hatch open with that being broke like that. Hope that helps. I'll have more on the pulling in and pulling out of that whole assembly. Alright, literally 3 days later we finally get our latch. Here's how it looks installed. This is how the unlatching system should actually work. Excuse me. And that's pretty much it. This happens when I look up after I drink some water. Anyway, so there you go. It's just these are triple square, what size? Triple square 8s. Triple square 8s, whatever that is. So you take off these panels. This one first, just pull down. This one next, pull out. This one last, pull. It all just pulls. It pulls, see? Pulls, pulls, pulls. There's 2 Torx right here and right there. They go into that right there. They're in the little handholds. It's kind of hard to see. They're right in there. So don't forget about those. Don't jerk it off and then be all upset and be like, "But Dana, you didn't tell me that those were there." Do some, come on, use your common sense. Freaking look for bolts and stuff. I ain't a damn manual. I'm just a guy with a camera and trying to give you a hand. So, thanks for watching, and hit that whatever buttons that it is for things. Welcome. I'm going to show you how to change your bulbs in your trunk lid light. As you see, it comes out. There's bolts that you get from under here, which are these. These bolts, they come out and then they come out. So you do that, and then you pull this side piece off, which just kind of clips into there, and unhook it. So now we're going to go back in with it. Let's see if I probably can't do this one-handed. Let me put you guys right here. So this comes around here. Like so. So now that loops around there, this goes up under here. You gotta pull this little red tab back to unclip it, and then this plugs into here. So these, you have to remember which direction they go, and then you stick them up there and tighten them down and put the cover back on. The little cover just, it's got a little recess right here. Just pop that down so you can get access to all that. This is the cover that's on the other side. This just goes up here like such. Hope that helps, and you get a light bulb changed.